In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job openings in Zoho Recruit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from the main Zoho page and end with a polished job listing ready to share or save as a draft. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Zoho. Click the official Zoho site from the results to reach the main dashboard. This is the quickest way in if you don't have the Recruit page bookmarked yet. A small tip: once you're in, consider bookmarking the Zoho Home or the Recruit app to save time later. Next, log in with your standard organization credentials. If your company uses single sign-on, choose that option and proceed as usual. Make sure you're in the correct organization account, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. If prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step to continue. Once you're signed in to Zoho, you'll see a list or launcher of apps. Select Recruit from the available options. If you use it frequently, you can pin it so it's easier to find in the future. Inside Zoho Recruit, look at the top navigation bar and click the Job Openings module. This is the central place where all positions are managed, and it's where you'll create new roles and track existing ones. Now, create a new opening by clicking the Create Job Opening button. In some layouts, you may see a plus icon near the top right. Both options lead to the same place. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter the job title, department, the assigned recruiter, and a detailed job description. Choose a clear, standard job title to improve searchability and match how candidates typically search. For the department, pick the correct team to keep your reporting clean. Assign the recruiter who will own the role so applications route properly. In the description, outline responsibilities, required skills, location or remote options, and any must-have qualifications. Keep the language concise and skimmable, and consider using consistent phrasing across similar roles to help with filtering and analytics. If you have a template, paste it in and adjust it for this specific opening. When you're done, you have two choices. Select Save if you want to store the opening as a draft. This is ideal if you need approvals or plan to refine details later without making anything public. Choose Save and Publish if you're ready to go live. This immediately lists the job on your career site and any integrated job boards. Double-check the title, department, and description before publishing, and remember, you can still edit the posting if minor changes are needed. That's it. Your job opening is now set up in Zoho Recruit.